Welcome, everyone. Today, we're going to build a simple command line to-do list application in Python. This application will allow users to add, remove, and view tasks. By the end of this session, you'll understand how to use lists, loops, functions, and even file handling if we choose to expand later. First, let's set up our environment. Open your IDE and create a new Python file named todo_list.py. This is where we'll write our code. Let's start by defining a function that displays a menu to the user. This function, show_menu, prints out the options available to the user. Each option corresponds to a different action. Next, we need a list to hold our tasks. We have created an empty list named tasks that will store all the tasks the user adds. Now, let's create a function to add tasks to our list. The add_task function takes one parameter, task, and adds it to the tasks list. It also prints a confirmation message. Next, we'll implement a function to remove tasks. The remove_task function checks if the specified task is in the list. If it is, it removes it and confirms the action. If not, it informs the user. Now, let's create a function to display all current tasks. The view_tasks function checks if there are any tasks. If so, it prints each task. If not, it informs the user that the list is empty. Now we'll create the main loop that keeps the program running. The main function of the program runs in an infinite loop that keeps asking the user for input, allowing them to choose different options repeatedly. Depending on what the user selects, the program calls specific functions to perform tasks, like calculations or displaying information. If the user chooses option 4, the program recognizes this as a request to exit and stops running, giving users control over when they want to end their session. Finally, we need to call the main function to start the application. This checks if the script is being run directly and calls the main function to start the application. Congratulations! You've built a simple command line to-do list application. You can now add, remove, and view tasks. Feel free to expand on this project later with features like saving tasks to a file or adding due dates. Now we can go ahead and run the code and we can see the main function results. Let's make sure we test all the functions to see if they are working. First we test the add task and it seems to be working. And the remove tasks also seems good and we can also use the view tasks very nicely. And finally, after testing it all, we can exit. Thank you for watching the video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more.